Welcome to day 5, the final day of achieving your goals and dreams. So how did you get on with the things that were holding you back, your negative thought patterns? Some people, this is really hard and really struggle to let go of these. I'm not saying just by doing that exercise they're all going to go away. And it doesn't mean that you're going to automatically go into the realistic thought. But it's about working with it and having that tool, or the few tools that we've now been collecting through the 5 days, and being able to use them when we hit the hurdles as we go forward. So recap over and just think about that when you are knowing your plan, which is day 5. We are going to set our vision and our plan. We're going to have our vision section, goals, strategies and action. So when we set all these out, we'll be able to move forward. Because if we know our vision now, we know our goal, and we know our strategies when we work through this section. What is it I need to do? What help do I need to achieve it, etc. And then it's about taking the actions and the steps. As we done with the meditation and a few other stuff, it's knowing that the emotion can help strengthen the pathway. Habit forming is a part of the brain. So we need to celebrate our small victories. Because every little step we take is an achievement to it. So if we forget to celebrate those, we feel we're going nowhere, where actually we've achieved loads. 10 small steps is a couple of large steps towards it. And that is 10 small steps or 2 large steps closer than you was before you started this course. So pat yourself on the back, especially at the end of today. Have a little internal party or dance around the living room. Tell people in your family, tell anyone that you trust what you've done and how you've achieved it, what you've learnt from this. Because those celebrations just reinforce everything. I always am dancing around and excited. When my partner and family walk through the door, I want to tell them what I've done and I want to know about their day. And that's how we celebrate every little thing that happens. So we feel good about it instead of being bogged down by the negative. Remember to close your eyes when you're celebrating and feel it. Feel how good it is that you've achieved this goal. And then we can move forward with that pat on our back. The only bonus this week, if you want to, and this is only if you want to, if you feel that you need a bit more support to achieve this goal or dream, and you want to get there, I'm offering some online consultations. I can either do a one-off or I can do a few block where you get a bit of a discount. This might be just to get through this workshop, or we want to actually help you support to get the goal, is how much you need to sign up for. But if you feel you've got enough from here, then congratulate yourself. I'm so proud of you from getting from day 1 to day 5. And now you're off to start your path to get your goals. And remember the 3 C's of life: choice, chance, and change. You must make a choice to take a chance, or your life will never change. Thank you for joining me on this workshop, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye.